All right, new DaVinci Resolve update. They just added a new feature, which is called guides. So what are guides? You've probably seen it in Adobe programs before, where you can just align a line to wherever you want in the viewer screen, and you can align anything to it. The way that you activate the guides is that you go on the edit page here, you go down to this button over here and click the arrow right next to it, click rulers and guides. And so you can see this ruler shows up, and then you could adjust the guide however you want from the top and the side, just like this, and I'll line it up just like that. And then it actually shows up in Fusion as well. So if you just hit Control G when you have the viewer selected, that shows any guide that is in the viewer. And usually you won't see this yellow guide pop up here if you have something on the edit page. We need to right click, go to guides, and then go to resolve, make sure that's checked on, and then you have that right there. Just turn it off and you turn it back on. But you can also turn on the other guides that are here as well, like the center and the monitor safety and the other save tile and film, stuff like that. And so yeah, that is very nice to have, especially that it's accessible from both the Fusion page and the edit page. The only thing that's a pain in the butt is that I don't think you can edit it from the Fusion page right now, but for nonetheless, it's something. So I'll take it. A couple of things that you should know is that it is accessible in both DaVinci Resolve Studio and the free version of DaVinci Resolve. And another thing is that it actually shows up on a different project as well. So if I go to my other project I have here, the guides will still show up there. So that's kind of a pain in the butt that it doesn't reset per project, but it is there nonetheless. But yeah, that's how you use the guides.